Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be sharing with you all how I achieved this DIY braided cornrow wig or feeding braid. Yes, I guess that's what it's called. Yes, I achieved this look with a lace closure, though I have a similar video of a wig like this which I did without a lace closure. So guys, if you want to see how I achieved this wig, keep on watching. So this is the wig cap I'll be using and the lace closure. So next I'm just going to install or tack the lace closure in the front part of the wig cap like this.
She's feeling my way. You whisper to her friends, say she's feeling my face. Ha! She's feeling my place. She want to be with me when she's feeling high rate. Back at you come back again. Oh, so for me pay chichi. She looking very hot in my yellow Lamborghini. You get the way. Hey, baby, carry the go for a bad man. See the way she the roll for a bad man.
So lace closure has been installed. So I'm just going to go ahead and start my feed-in braid.
See the way she the roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping it low for a bad man. Nah. Ginger me. How they want to ginger me today? Make you ginger me. All the ladies in the house they want to ginger me today. So I'm here for the girl then. Mr. DJ play my song. Yeah, I'm chilling with the girl then. And we getting high all night long. Bulaka. She love the bad thing. She hold a bad man. She want the bad thing. I'm all up on her waist when we dancing. She don't care about nobody when we grinding. Make you ginger me. How they want to ginger me today? Make you ginger me. All the ladies in the house they want to ginger me. Hey, baby, carry they go for a bad man. See the way she they roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby, carry they go for a bad man. See the way she they roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby, carry they go for a bad man. See the way she they roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby, carry they go for a bad man. See the way she they roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Nah. His body, baby. His body, baby. Oh, let go. Ha, ha. Oh, na na. Bum 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 boy. Oh, na na. Na 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 na. Oh, na na. Bum 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 boy. Oh, na na. Are you feeling my way? Cause I'm feeling your way. So pass up on it for me, mama say it's okay. Oh, them up pay me on surely. Baby, you know it's okay. Nah. You're a pretty fine girl and I have a pretty fine waist. Nah. You're a really cool girl, I got a really good taste. Ha, she feeling my way. You whisper to her friends, say she's feeling my face. Ha. She's feeling my place. She want to be with me when she's feeling high rate. Back at you come back again. Oh, so for me pay chichi. She looking very hot in my yellow Lamborghini. You get the way. Hey, baby, carry the go for a bad man. See the way she the roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby, carry the go for a bad man. See the way she the roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Nah. Ginger me. How they want to ginger me today? Make you ginger me. All the ladies in the house they want to ginger me today. So I'm here for the girl then. Mr. DJ, play my song. Yeah, I'm chilling with the girl then, and we getting high all night long. Bulaka. She love the bad thing, she hold a bad man, she want the bad thing. I'm all up on her waist when we dancing. She don't care about nobody when we standing. Make you ginger me, in the house they want to ginger me today. Make you ginger me, all the ladies in the house they want to ginger me. Hey, carry they go for a bad man. See the way she they roll for.
So the front part is all done. I'll be moving to the back part now, and I'll be using the crochet method for the back.
For a bad man. See the way she dey roll for a bad man.
So these are the braids I'll be using for the back.
For a bad man.
My crochet pin.
See the way she dey roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping it low for a bad man. Baby carry they go for a bad man. See the way she dey roll.
So because the braids are a bit fat, so it's a bit tricky, you can always use the needle and thread method like I did in the previous video I have here on my channel.
Let me see your hands in the air. Hey. Hey. Rick is on the beat. His body, baby. His body, baby. Oh, let go. Ha, ha. Oh, na na. Bum, 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 boy. Oh, na na.
I'm trying to cover everywhere up here, and at the same time trying to make it not too full so it won't be heavy to carry. So my wig is ready.
Are you feeling my way? Cause I'm feeling your way. To pass up on the family, mama say it's okay. Oh, them up me on surely. Baby, you know it's okay. Nah, nah. You're a pretty fine girl and I'm a pretty fine waist. Nah, nah.
Next, I'll be trimming it to remove those excess hair.
Ha, she feeling my way. She whisper to her friends, say she's feeling my face. Ha.
Next, I'll be putting the tips in hot water to make it relax. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. I do hope you find this video helpful. Please, if you do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel.